And welcome back, everybody. I promised you this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this wheel cap on the K.I.T.T from the TV show Knight Rider. Now, D'Agostini did great with this. I think it looks fine with the screws that are installed on it. From a distance, it looks fantastic. But if you look close and you want the extra detail and you want to step this up a notch, why not install lug nuts into those openings instead of the screws? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screws out. I only put a couple in because I knew I was going to do this mod, and I'm going to show you how I do the mod. There we go. And that's how that looks there. Now we know that our wheel is all metal, so that's going to make it even easier for me to attach this, because I'm going to install an earth magnet here on the back side, and it's not going to be any larger than that hole, so that way it can go down flush. Now what I'm planning on doing is installing some lug nuts. Well, where did I get my lug nuts from? The good old RC universe, right? Remote control universe. They have this fantastic set here. It's the DS, and these are the Racing Drift Element Scale lug nuts. And there's 24 of them in. They're gold trim. You can find this on my Amazon store. I'll put a link down below. But these are gold, and obviously I don't want them to be gold, so I am going to spray paint them with some gloss black before I cut them off the trees. But I have enough here to do 4 wheels. So perfect, right? Very, very good. They actually give you 6 of them. All I need is 5. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the first step. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and glue an earth magnet to the center part of the cap here on the back side. I did check the polarity, and this I marked it with a Sharpie pen, so that is where I need to put my glue. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue. I'm going to use real thick CA glue for this, and this is the glue I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, the side that I put the mark on is the side I want glued down, and that's going to go right on the cap, just like that. Looks like I got a lot of extra glue there. I'm going to take that out. Okay. And that looks good there. Take a little bit of super glue accelerator, some kicker, and get that to dry down on that. And be careful with that kicker you don't get it on the paint on the other side, because it will remove that paint. So once that's dry, we will put it on the wheel just to give it a test. And it's dry, so to test it out, I'll put it on here, and perfect. Okay, so that will stay on there, no problem. Now we'll go ahead and do the lug nuts. So I took and I painted the lug nuts a gloss black, and I used a Tamiya X1 for that, and proceeded to cut them off the sprue and glue them into the wheel, so you can see how that looks, and you can see what the lug nut looks like there, but that's what the wheel looks like. And it's going to go down very nicely, and that's my answer to removing the screws and adding lug nuts. Here's the wheel cover completed, and you can see the magnet on the back side. The lug nuts are on there, and it goes on just like that. I went ahead and sanded down the lug nuts to be flush with the cover, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it with the gloss black. And here it is, all painted and ready to go. I think it looks good. It looks just like the real cover. So if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Head over to FanHome and subscribe to this card today. I put a direct link and promo code down below. Please click on the direct link, as FanHome will know you watched my video. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.
Knight Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.